Are you looking to close your WorldRemit account and want to know the step-by-step process to do it safely and efficiently? You've come to the right place. In this comprehensive tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps to delete your WorldRemit account, ensuring your personal and financial information is secure. The first thing that we will do is to go over to their official website, and you want to make sure that you are logged into your WorldRemit account. Once you're logged in, you'll tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen, and then you'll see this following menu appear. We will tap on the Help section because that's where we have to go in order to close our WorldRemit account. When we open the Help section, we're going to see this interface with a couple of different links. Scroll all the way down until you can see this My Account button and click on it. Under My Account, you'll want to select the same option one more time, and then we can continue with deleting our account. When we get to this page, we'll be presented with a couple of different articles about your account that you can read. Since we want to close our account, we'll tap on this link called How Do I Close My WorldRemit Account? And as we can read here, it says that, if we want to close our WorldRemit account, we should contact them. So just tap on the Contact Us button right here, and then we'll go over to this page. Scroll all the way down and you will be able to see a couple of different phone numbers of the customer support. You have a specific phone number for each region, so you'll want to click on the phone number for your specific region or country and then call them. You will then be able to follow their instructions and just tell them that you want to close your WorldRemit account. But that's about it, everyone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.